Noodle Bar. So we're gonna go into the Noodle Bar. We're gonna order. Here it's freezing cold. It's like 7 degrees out right now. Sipping. Oh yeah, for the summer.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, okay, we'll try. So what do you have to say?
Nothing.
It's awful cold out there. Alright, so we went to this restaurant in Mountain View. It's some kind of noodle bar. We ordered from our phone. The robot brought it to us. We had our spring rolls, and this is a hot green tea. It's a cold night. It's about 7 degrees out there. So what's that we ordered? You know what that is that we ordered? We have to see. Oh, that's the egg roll. So the robot just brought us the egg rolls here. So we're gonna take that there. Oh, what is that one? And the robot goes back to the kitchen. That's pretty good. And you had a bubble tea. Not bad. It says Julie on it, right?
Unbelievable.
So they bring some. Oh, what is that one? I don't know. All right, now see if that's yours, and get you what yours is, and say okay after you get it, right? Get it. All right. Get your thing. All right. So I got the chicken wings off the robot. There's the table number. So this is the Noodle Bar. The Noodle Bar in Wayne, New Jersey. So this is the Noodle Bar in Wayne, New Jersey, where we had a fantastic meal. It was good.